Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and let's dive in on this Globlazer heavy duty cat tree. It is super tall. We just moved houses, that's why I didn't have my microphone with me, and I just want to do a kind of like a voiceover with a live demonstration of this 74 inches super stable cat tower. For also can be for medium to small size cats, but large cats will actually have 2 or 3 places to nap or play or hide. You can actually send them to the top tier, or they also have kind of like a condo in the middle section and a little bit of a smaller condo in the bottom. I will say like kind of like on the mid bottom of the actual cat tree. It also comes with 2 nest or baskets, which I think it is really cool, and also tons of poles for them to scratch their nails, which I think it is really cool, so they don't actually do it with our furniture. It comes in 4 different colors and it's 74 inches tall. Really easy assemble. I will say probably in about 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes without any tools or power tools. So that is really good. Penny was having a blast. She loves it. We have 4 cats at home and at least 3 of them were using it and they really like it. That's the most important thing. I think if you have multiple cats in your home, mid to small size cat and even some larger cats as well, this is a must have.